So how do you mute someone's calls on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you are new to Foxtecc, go ahead and subscribe right now because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. So there are some ways how you can basically mute them. So the easiest method would be to set up a focus mode. Inside of your settings app, you can find the focus section, and a lot of people use it for different purposes, like there is the work focus mode or personal, whatever it might be, right? It's not the name's not that important, but the filtering which you can set up really is. So you can choose that, for example, during your work time, you choose which people can contact you and which people are blocked, right? So you can either decide that only select people can call you and everything else will be muted, or you'd get to choose it the other way around, where you only not allow one specific person to contact you during the period of time. So you can set it up this way inside of the focus mode, right? Have the focus ready and then enable it anytime you need through the control center. And this gives you a lot of control over your phone and incoming calls. So that would be something a lot of people use. Keep in mind that if you are, for example, receiving some unknown or unwanted calls and it's like a spam call, you still have the ability to find it through the phone app, tap on more information and block the caller. So that is the possibility that you always have right there. So let me know in the comments below if this is what you were hoping for, if you achieved what you needed. Go ahead and subscribe for tutorials like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future videos.